All right, we already started rolling. The Speaker of the House.
Honorable Speaker, welcome to the media side. You see, you must be one of the happiest men in the world today. The Liberian Senate just concurred with Honorable House of Representatives the passage of the War and Economic Crimes Code. How do you feel, sir?
I think that's excellent. I think we are proud of the Liberian people. It has been a long time coming, but finally, justice and accountability has arrived.
They passed a document with two distinct issues. The one that has to do with the Economic Crime Code to be established here, the one that has to do with War Crime Code to be sent abroad. Are you happy with the passage, the separation being made there?
Well, I will not let the perfect be the enemy of the good. I think it's a good step taken by the Senate, and we will receive the communication, and we will then begin the discussion on how we structure it. That's part of the structuring, and I think it's okay.
So that was my question. I mean, to pass on the resolution is just beginning of the process. One could be thinking, how long? What next?
I think we move the ball to the executive. Once the president acts, in the meantime, we'll be consulting on a statute. What constitutes the resolution on the war and economic crimes issue. We'll be working on a statute to be able to.
There is a law, sir, that of course grants protection for those who might have committed atrocities during the war. It's a law that was passed by the in 2003 by the legislature that might prevent people who might have committed war crimes to be prosecuted.
I think that you want me to act like a lawyer. Any law passed that granted amnesty is unconstitutional because only the president of Liberia has the pardon power. So we cannot pass law in violation of the Constitution.
The issue of security
will be unconstitutional.
The issue of security is concerning. I mean, one of the things discussed in the public is that the issue of the War Crime Code security matters because those who might be asked or judged and some, for lack of a better word, found guilty might have some other people in their favor that might undermine the peace and security of this country.
But again, this is why the resolution was a necessary first step, because we then begin to consult with our international partners and our people to see where we go from here. Okay, we now have to develop a structure, an infrastructure for this process. So the resolution was a necessary first step. Now we move to the infrastructure stage. The infrastructure involves security, process, the due process of those responsible, the gathering of the evidence, the records, and all of the things necessary to make the court successful.
Thank you. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Thank you so much. So the voice of Speaker Jimos Sarin, Speaker Fonade Koffa, your communication has been sent. Welcome to Focus on Liberia. You had a good Thanks for following us. You just heard the voice of Speaker Councillor Chief Fonade Koffa there speaking where the Senate has concurred with the House of Representatives. Thanks for following. Bye-bye. Like I said, the Senate has concurred with the House of Representatives for the passage of, to endorse the resolution calling for the establishment of War Crimes Court. Thank you. Bye-bye.